Okay, random variable x has the following probability distribution, and we're told what the expected value is. So we're kind of working backwards. We're supposed to find out what that constant a is. The expected value of an event is equal to the value of x times the probability of getting x. So I just got that from the table. The value of x, the first value of x is 1, and that has a 0.1 probability. And then we add that to the next pair, x times the probability of getting x. They tell us that it's just a. Oh, there's two variables here. Yeah, here we'll have to do something else. I think I know what else we have to do. So let's finish out the expected value. 3 is a possibility, and b is its probability. 4 is a possibility, and 0.1 is its probability. 5 is a possibility, and 0.2 is its probability. So that's the formula for the expected value. You can't solve, though, because look, if you were to replace the expected value is 3.0, there's two variables in one equation. So we can't solve right now. But we can go back and use another fact. If you were to add all the different probabilities of an event, they should add up to be 1, right? If you add up all the different possible options, all their probabilities, it should equal 1 because one of them is bound to happen. If you add up every possible probability, then there's a 100% chance that one of those options happen. So it's kind of tough. This is a system of equations problem. It's back from Algebra 2. Well, what's typically in Algebra 2? It depends on the school. But in this equation down here, let's get a by itself. 0.1 plus 0. Wait. No, let's get b by itself because they want us to find the value of a. So I'm going to add up 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.2. That's 0.4. And then I'm going to subtract. Sorry, my dog is in the background. He just decided now is the time he's going to loudly mess with his toy. Let's move this. There we go. Subtract that 0.4 from both sides. And then I'm trying to get, let's get b by itself because that'll help us solve for a quicker. So I know what the letter b is now. I'm trying to move this. It won't let me. Oh, come on. There we go. I know b is 0.6 minus a. So if you remember from a previous algebra course, we can use substitution. And let's simplify while we do it. 1 times 0.1 is just 0.1. This is 2a. And this is 3. But instead of b, I'm going to write 0.6 minus a in parentheses. Okay? Because b is 0.6 minus a. And then now we have an equation that's just the letter a. So now we have something we can solve. Okay? So let's combine all the, well, actually, let's use the distributive property first. Either way. It's 3 times 0.6, that's 1.8. And then 3 times a, there's our distributive property. Let's clean it up a bit. Let's combine all those constants. So 0.1 plus 1.8 is 1.9. 1.9 plus 0.4 is 2.3. So that's 3.3. Oh, that's 3a. Okay, if I did my algebra right there, subtract 0.3 from both sides, and then 2a minus 3a makes negative a. So in other words, a equals 0.3. We come down to the final answer. So that one's tricky because it's not just using the fact that all probabilities add up to be 1, not just using the fact of, not just using the definition of expected value, but we also have to use a system of equations to solve.